Hello subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we've taken out the Royal Enfield Himalayan for a spin, and also I seem to always forget introducing myself, so my name is Ludwig. Today I'm on the road from Kinglake to St Andrews, and it has to be one of the windiest roads I've ever come across. Very popular with motorcyclists and people with sports cars, and on a day like today, everybody is out on it. So I'll give you a little bit of background information about St Andrews. It's a town in Victoria, Australia. It's 52 kilometres or 26.8 miles northeast of Melbourne's central business district, and takes about 55 minutes to get there. The population of St Andrews is approximately 1,300, and St Andrews was originally known as Queenstown, and the area was surveyed in 1858 and a town proclaimed on the 25th of February 1861. In 1865 it was also known by many as St Andrews. It was also very popular for Scottish miners, who gave rise to the town being called either Caledonia or St Andrews. Now, St Andrews is in a gold miner's location, and gold was first discovered here on the 9th and the 11th of March in 1855. So if you've got a metal detector, bring it out with you and see if you can find a stream somewhere, see what happens. Now, an interesting little fact about St Andrews: in 2015 it was named Victoria's wealthiest town according to the tax department. It beat towns or suburbs like Toorak and Portsea, which is very interesting. So here we are at our first location, the St Andrews Hotel. It is a hotel that was first licensed or requested by a Elizabeth Smith in 1868 and run by her good self and her husband for 20 years. It opens at 11 a.m. and where those cones are, or those bollards are, is where you'll find later on, once it's open, it'll be filled with motorcycles. It also closes tonight, being a Saturday, at 1 a.m. and they do have live entertainment. So don't just come here for lunch, you can also come for dinner and also for the entertainment they have of an evening. Now, just right of the pub or the hotel, we have another cafe called A Boy Named Sue Cafe. There is also other cafes in the area, so if you choose not to eat at the hotel or the pub, there's quite a number of places you can eat. Also within the market, as it comes up on our right, also has numerous stalls where you can buy pretty much any type of food. Now, as we fly over, it'll give you an idea where everything's located. So you've got the alternative market garden there. We're going over. You saw the cafes and the hotel just across the road. And as we make our way along the path where the market is, we'll come to another location, which is the general store, which is also very popular. It can also be a place where you can get some food as well. Now also there is a vineyard in the area. There is also a place called Punch Wine Room and another place called the Cheese Rebels. So there's quite a bit to do here. I think 2 hours doesn't really do it justice, but that's all the time I had. So yeah, I'd make a whole day of this and wander through that market, which could take you hours. So coming into view on the right is the Royal Enfield Himalayan that I've been zooming around today in. It's proven to be a great little motorbike for me. I've enjoyed it. And hopefully we'll have some great adventures with it. So here we are on the right as we track across to the St Andrews Alternative Market. Now this market is held every Saturday between 8 AM to 2 PM except on total fire bans. It also allows people to get a casual stall. So if you've got some items you would like to sell, it's $20, which seems reasonable to me. You've just got to contact them online. There's no bookings required, but there are some conditions. So if you're interested in selling something, go on the website and it's $20 if you meet whatever their requirements are. Now, just a quick tip, if you're going to come out here to the market and maybe have a meal at the hotel, may I suggest you get here very early, like 8 o'clock, do all your shopping, and then once it gets to 11 o'clock, make your way into the hotel. As you can see, cars are everywhere. It's a very popular location. I've never been here, but I was very surprised that it generated such a big crowd. Now, just as a heads up, the police were very active today. I saw them at quite a number of locations, and unfortunately they did pull over a number of vehicles, obviously doing the wrong thing. So if you're coming out this way, please focus on the speed limits, because there's a good chance you'll get caught. also worth noting that you're in horse country. There are a lot of horses. There are a lot of horse riders that will cross this main road from time to time. And on most occasions you will have like a traffic warden or a sort of like a school crossing type person in the right gear, stopping traffic to allow these horses to cross. So here we are, coming to the end of the video. Thank you for your time. If you liked the video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and once again, stay safe, commute safe, and have a wonderful day, and bye for now.